In this video, you will learn how to transfer the HSBC UK app to a new phone. First, download the HSBC UK mobile banking app. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your new phone, then download the HSBC UK app. Open the app and select Login. Once installed, you will open the app and tap Login, then activate on this device. Enter your online banking details, provide your username and answer the security questions correctly, or input your password. Receive and enter the activation code. HSBC will enter a 6-digit activation code via SMS to register your mobile number. Enter this code into the app to verify your identity. Set up your new device. Follow the on-screen steps to register your new phone. You may need to create a new digital security key or enable Face or Touch ID. Uninstall the app. Uninstall the app from your old phone. For security, it's recommended to uninstall the HSBC app from your old device once your setup is complete. Now you know how to transfer the HSBC app to a new phone in the UK. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.